Request a free legal consultation with an independent immigration attorney at permanentresident.us. You may be matched with a different attorney.
So the question is, one of the criteria for the EB-1A, one of the potential criteria you can show is that you've served in a critical role for an organization with a distinguished reputation. And persons ask, persons who want to apply ask, does it matter what your job title is to show that you've had a critical role? And the answer is not necessarily. U.S. immigration isn't just going to look at the job title alone. They are going to look at the underlying duties that you had, and they are also going to want to know, whether your role actually was critical or not. The question I always ask persons looking at this criteria is, without you, would that organization, that company or employer, would they have been able to achieve the level of success that they did, had you not been there? That's the question I usually pose. That being said, the job title should match with what you were doing. The typical example I talk about is if you are in a CTO, a Chief Technology Officer type role with a company and you led the development of a highly valuable software product that made millions of dollars in revenue for a company you worked for, it's not going to make too much sense if your job title there was just software engineer. You want to have your job title be CTO or something similar. So there's some context there, but the job title on its own isn't going to make or break your case.
To have your question considered for an upcoming video, you must follow or subscribe, then comment with your question. Visit permanentresident.us to watch more videos on self-sponsoring your green card, or go to our permanentresident.us account on this app to watch the next video.